Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making crunchy chinchin. We have our flour already. Other ingredients will be listed in the description. You can see them all displayed. Our butter, our sugar, our egg, our spices, our milk, baking powder. So the first thing we'll do is to mix all the dry ingredients into the flour and mix them all up together. You can see in goes our baking powder. It's my children that are actually making this. They are on holiday, so I want them to learn how to make chinchin. They love chinchin, so I want them to know how to make it. So that is our nutmeg. So we have to mix them all up together. There's another spice. Our milk powder. In goes our sugar. You have to mix and mix and mix. Everything has to come together. In goes the butter. So as the butter goes in, it has to be thoroughly mixed. So after mixing with the flour, it will now resemble fine breadcrumbs. Keep watching, guys. You can see the butter has already been mixed with the flour. So at this point, we'll start adding water gradually. We have to make a dough. That is our vanilla flavor. And our egg. So after mixing all of this, in goes our water. You can see we are adding in water gradually. I like to mix my dough to be hard because after it rests for a while, I discovered that the dough still becomes a bit soft. So I always like to mix it to be hard. So it will be easy for me to roll. I don't need to add in much flour while rolling. I'm going to mix the dough to be very hard and I will allow it to rest. You'll be surprised that after resting, it will no longer be hard. At this point, the kids they've left. So they said it's too difficult for them to do. They can't mix it. So they're beside me watching how I'm doing it. You can see how the dough is. So I'm going to cover it and allow it to rest for some minutes. Yes, our dough is well rested. I'll actually allow it to rest for like 20 minutes. You can see it's not looking as hard as it was before. So it's time for the rolling. I divided the dough into two. It's a 1 kg flour. So you can see it doesn't need much flour for it to roll. It's not too hard. It's a bit light for me now. And since we want to make a crunchy chinchin, it doesn't have to be light or soft. For you to have that crunchy texture, it has to be a bit hard. You have to roll and roll and roll till it gets a bit thin, like an inch. You can see how our dough is looking now. It's looking flat. Chinchin is not something you rush. It takes process. I have to take your time while making it. You can see how it looks now. We're cutting it. You can cut it to a high, whatever shape you like, and whatever size you like to. You see how I cut it. The next stage is the frying stage. We have to put our vegetable oil into our pan, a frying pan. So when it's hot, you start frying the chinchin in batches. You can see our chinchin. It's now golden brown in color, so it is ready. Keep frying them in batches. Our chinchin is ready. That is our chinchin ready. Crunchy, delicious. Don't forget to share and like. Thanks for watching, guys.